sa ako nasabtan sa pagrekoleksyon is dili dapat maghikog or magsakit-sakit sa lawas. If ever nga naay problema sa pamilya or sa eskwelahan, if na magani problema, iapura na si Ginoo because God is always here. I know nga dili makita na to ang Ginoo, pero andam siya maminaw sa atong problema. Kay ang kanang paghikog is dili na mao ang makasulbad sa problema. Yes, dakong problema pero never mo give up kay naa si God always nga motabang nato. Wala ta kay ba nga unsay plano sa Ginoo nato sa kini nato giagian. Nato nga problema mura gi-challenge ta sa Ginoo ani pero ampo ta permente para.
Good evening, sir. The lesson that I've learned in recollection is it doesn't matter if you're facing a lot of problems. You just need to be brave enough, and also if you're struggling and you don't know what you're gonna do. The worst decision that you could ever make is killing yourself. But killing yourself will not help you to fix or to solve the problems that you are facing right now, and all you can do is accept it. I know it will take a lot of time, but it will be worth it. And lastly, you need to understand your family because they also have their own problems. That's all.
On the day of our recollection, I was reminded of the fact that none of these things will matter if I don't work hard for my future. My mind was opened, and I also realized when Kuya Ike told us that we should not rush things and let the Lord do His work. All the things that we desire right now can be achieved later in life, and that spending all the time for your family and friends, along with the priority of finishing our education, is the number one thing that we should focus in this moment right now. Because rushing things to happen will be just like rushing to your own doom later in life.
I understand in our recollection that those student will commit suicide because of family. That his wife is fighting, he can see his girl. The problem of what to do in school. They should fight, they should tell us what is problem with your girl. When you talk about it, don't send that problem, you should make our children problems go away.
Based sa akong nakatunan pag recollection kay kung nakita problema sa family, sa eskwelahan, o sa atong mga friends, kay ampo rin na sa Ginoo. Because nara ang Ginoo para nato o andam siya maminaw sa atong mga problema. And dalag dili ta kakita niya, siya kakita siya nato per na nagsuffer ta, and it's okay. Basta ayaw lang pagbuhat o dautan sa imong pagalingon, and kung mapildi man gani ka, dapat imo lang gid na gawan because maabot ra ang panahon na para sa imo.
Hello guys, so unsa nasabtan na to pag recollection katong yagi buwan. So kanang guys, kanang di ta magpadulong sa stress o di ta magpakuan, di ta magkanang ma-pressure ta sa atong mga say ginana sa atong pangutok. So parang ta guys, kanang magpa-happy lang dito, always be happy kay wata ka pa nga karasulat pa ni Lord. So sa atong piliwan lang dyan kay kuan at malipay yun ta pagpunti sa matag adlaw. Salamat sa Ginoo nga kuan guys, kanang sana ka nang nakamata-pata nga